Wow, look at the artistic on the wall. Awesome it looks, man. Right now I'm going to Kanskila, but he's going to leave me at Atal something Chora. And then from there I'll take another rickshaw. Let's see how much he takes. Over here, this is called Atal Ji Chungi, and he took 50 rupees from me. Now he's saying he'll take 150 to go to Kanskila. Let's see how far is it. It took almost say some 10-15 minutes from ISKCON temple, Sri Krishna Balaram temple. Almost 10-15 minutes to reach up to this point. Now from here I'll have to check how long it takes. Well, there my rickshaw guy dropped me. He took me 150 rupees from that place which I told you. Now this is Kanskila. I'm going to the if you remember Kans Mama, who was Shintaharan Mahadev. If you remember Kans Mama, who was Krishna Bhagwan's mama, like his mother's brother, and who tried to kill Krishna. He almost killed 8 children of Yashoda Mata, and then he wanted to kill Krishna, but then Krishna somehow saved himself, and then when he grew up, he took the revenge because Kans Mama used to trouble the whole village people, and he put his mother and father in prison. So Krishna had to punish him. I'm going there. There's a monkey over here. I have to be careful because my phone have to be safe. So this is the Kanskila along the Yamuna river side. Now this is the place. There are a lot of monkeys over there, so I could not shoot. It's risky. They can snatch your phone. So there is some more monkeys over there nearby, so I have to be careful. Now this is the real Kanskila. It is not in a condition where I think it has to be managed, but they need funds. बहुत funds चाहिए इनको manage करने के लिए. तो थोड़ा beautiful sky है यार. Wow, look at the sky. It looks so awesome, and everything is like thousands and thousands of years ago. Even this Kanskila. So it took almost 45 minutes from Vrindavan to Kanskila, and when you reach here you have to just be careful because there are a lot of monkeys around as you enter, and the view is excellent. As you can see, it's along the banks of the Yamuna river, and it's a beautiful place. I visited in the evening. Oh, it looks so beautiful inside. तो जिसे ढूंढ रहे थे फाइनली मिल गया है. मैं हूँ राम भरोसे और चीते गुरु मार्ग. राम भरोसे और चीते गुरु मार्ग. ठीक, ये जंक्शन है. ये जंक्शन, ये बोर्ड के सामने ही आपको ये नत्थू लस्सी वाला है जो बहुत फेमस है. आइए टेस्ट करते हैं इनका लस्सी. भैया एक लस्सी बना लो, छोटा वाला. You can check out the price. 60 for full, body, medium, big, medium and small. 60, 50 and 30 rupees.
तो भाई लस्सी इतनी बढ़िया थी ना पीने के बाद, ऑसम मैन। मैंने उसके बाद और एक लस्सी मंगाया, इट वॉज जस्ट सुपर।
Here it is, Nathu lassi. Very nice.